Hey guys, Czar here. Hope all is well. It's 3:07 p.m. Watching this monster move on the market today. Nasdaq up 2.75%, S&P up 2%, and the Dow is up 1.6% now. It was lagging quite a bit. I'm going to take you to the Dow. We're going to watch this thing because we've just tapped into a key resistance area from 2 days ago, and things are looking really extended here. Although I'm not a big fan of calling tops, it's not what I'm doing here. But we're going to look for some structure issues to start to make their way in right about now. Right now. Shorting, guys. Shorting at the market. Now. Just shorted. First position. $9.43. And a bit. Right on that tip of that wick. Didn't get the greatest fill, but 943.70. Okay, so 944 basically. I'm going to put it there. And stop above. Time of day, guys. It's 10 after 3. We're in power hour now. Anything can happen. This has been a ridiculous monster move compared with how things have been trading of late. So this is going to be interesting. And so again, time of day, very important. Put you on pause for 1 minute, 1 second. Okay, we're back. Literally 10 seconds. I just had to open up a different document here. Focus, guys. Focused, I should say. That's not a command. It's talking to myself about what I need to do here now. I might be adding to this one. Here we go, guys. And in terms of the move, I'm looking for a 40-point move on this one. So I'm asking quite a bit given the size and the momentum, the gas behind this rally. But that's what I'm going to go for here. So 904, looking for 33,904. Patiently waiting now. So what is this, guys? This is a zone reversal / VWAP reversion trade. I'm just going to probably call it a zone reversal because it's more about the tapping of this resistance area that I showed you here. On the 30-minute, you see that there? Price is driving down now. Copy and paste. That's not going to work. Undo. It's my third trade of the day, guys. Being very, very patient. Sent out messages on Twitter and to my Telegram group about being patient today. We really need to be snipers in this kind of a move. It's a lockout rally. It can cause a lot of frustration and FOMO behavior from day traders in particular. It's human nature. You see that there? See why we're doing this? And daily's very strong, bullish candle, of course, but extended, running into 2 days ago high. The body high. And so that could be a little bit of added resistance as well. But time of day is very important. When you see a massive move like this, we get into power hour. There's about 45 minutes left in the session. Many players, including big players, start to take profits because they don't trust tomorrow, right? And, I don't really care about the why behind it, but that is the why behind it. It's part of it. There's more to it. I care about the structure that goes with the why. Without the structure, completely irrelevant. What my theory is on what players are thinking. But when you've been doing this into 35 plus years, you begin to know, you begin to get a feel of the patterns that tend to happen on days like this, and this is one of them. My third trade of the day, my first trade was actually in the UK session, second trade was in New York session, and the third trade is this one, near the end of New York. And so despite the several 100-point move that we've had on the NASDAQ, 343 points to be precise, as we speak, it was higher than that, just 3 trades. And this is only my second in New York. And so this is about the dance, guys, right? It's about deciphering the rhythm and the tempo of the dance, the footwork, the music of the dance, the style, and then deciding if you want to get in sync with that move or not, that dance. And so now having to be patient on this retracement, being bought up right in here, through this area here. This is the way this works, guys. See these resistance areas? Resistance turns support. It seems a bit late, right? But that's the way this works. There are players in here. Another way to show it. So this is going to rally up and try to grab some juice and then go back for another attempt. And we can see if we're going to be involved in that move or not. Patiently waiting. I am going to put you on pause for now, guys, during this grind, and I'll bring you back. Pause. All right, guys, we're back. So we had this pretty significant retracement. And now looking like it wants to round over a little bit, but I'm not convinced. This thing is very strong. This could just rally into new highs into the close because there's definitely a concerted effort to buy stock here today. Of course, there are earnings being announced after the close. I sent those out to my group. I'm just going to check them right now while I have you on here. Yeah, wow. Amazon, Intel, Snap, Pinterest, Skechers, T-Mobile, Dexcom, Mondelez, Amgen, First Solar, Cloudflare, quite a few, Gilead, all after hours. So it could get quite interesting here. But it's obviously in anticipation of good things. Well, that candle's not looking good, is it? That's not going to help my trade. Keep an eye on this here. Just watching you guys. Sorry about that. A little dead air here when things were just kind of grinding. I'm going to put you on pause so you can avoid this. Trying in vain to push down here, guys. I'll pause you again. Trying to make a little drive here. Let's go over to take a look at the three sisters, shall we? NASDAQ, S&P, and the Dow, all basically doing the same, similar things. You see the NASDAQ actually made a new high and then failed. S&P failed, or failing for now, on a double top with a slight break on top, kind of a 2B reversal. And then a lower high on the Dow, the weakest, and that's the one, of course, that I'm short. But not playing ball yet. It needs to do some more here. I'm staying with it. Very bullish daily candle, guys. It's hard to short into a gladiator candle like that, but this is the time of day to do it if it's going to be done. I certainly wouldn't take a long at this time of the day after a 508-point move on the Dow. And back on pause. Making a bit of a move now, guys. Just need to hit that new low. So this is a new 30-minute candle. It's 3:30. Last half hour of the day. And getting rejected. This is one boring video, isn't it, guys? Here we go. Take a look at those three sisters again. NASDAQ far left. Holding things up here. See that rally? That buying up, that's going to pull up the Dow as well. There it is. So what I'm looking for here, of course, is a break below the prior 30-minute candle's low, right? Let's take a look at this close up. Rallying into resistance. Closing blue, bearish candle. No top wick. That's a bit problematic for the trade. But again, this time of the day, 3:32, anything can happen. Patience. Yeah, I'm moving my stop to break even, guys, on this one. 3:33 p.m. Things can start getting awfully whippy here. I'm going to lock this one in to a sure break even, worst case. Stop is at break even. Focused. And when I say these things, guys, I'm talking to myself. This is how I manage my psychology. Impulse control, it's the entire game. Dropping. We just broke the low of the prior 30-minute candle, that one I was waiting for here. Here it comes, guys. This is an important piece right here. It could reject immediately, but we'll see. Looking for 40 points on this. Third trade of the day. First trade was in the UK session. Second trade was in US, and this one is near the close of the US session. And there's that little rejection there. I'm going to stay with it. Stop is still a break even. I'm not even going to lock in any profit here. 3:35 p.m. And being bought up. Let's see something here for a moment. Yeah. Because of the whippiness here, guys, I'm going to go for 30 points now. I'm just tightening that target a little bit, having moved to break even. I'm going to tighten that to 30 points. My other two trades today were both 30-point winners. And it seems like a 30-point day to me from a symmetry standpoint. And so something's telling me to do that. I still need it to obviously drop again, and that might be out of the cards at this point, or off the table. We'll see. That might be the buy up right there. Yeah, here it comes. Darn. See, on the 30-minute there. Rejecting. I'm watching the other three sisters, or two sisters. 3 in total. And they're doing the same thing, which again is problematic. One of the guys in my group just made a really good joke on the Telegram channel. But unfortunately I can't repeat it, but it was quite good. Alright. Here we go, guys. Flipping. Looking for those 30 points. It's taken a great deal of patience. Need one more push down. Here we go. Can we do it? Move this one up to the 30 because it's a copy and paste of the other one. We haven't hit it yet. That was that wick you see there. Here we go. One more push. Thank you for your patience here, guys. Really appreciate it. There's no reason why you should be sitting here watching this this thing happen. And if you are, wow. Thank you. Good on you. It certainly gives you a feel for what it's like to sit through these long, agonizing trades. If you're newer to trading, this is what trading is like, right? It's a waiting game. It's hurry up and wait. I've been up since around 1:30 this morning a.m. before the London session, which starts at 3 a.m. It is now 3:39 p.m. And still sitting here, and if only this is my third trade, as I mentioned to you. And just hit it, guys. Hit the 30 points. Finally, thank you for being with me. I appreciate your support. Please click that like button if you like what's going on here. We'll do more content, and feel free to comment. Come and join the Telegram group, and we'll have some fun together. Take care, guys. Have an amazing night. Bye-bye now.